Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a craft cone. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. Don't forget a pencil for marking and some adhesive, such as tape or glue, to secure your cone. Selecting the right paper thickness is key for a durable cone. Now, let's start shaping. Take your paper and draw a large quarter circle. You can use a compass or simply tie a string to a pencil and hold the other end at a corner of your paper to create the arc. Carefully cut along this curved line. Once cut, gently roll the paper from one corner, bringing the edges together to form your cone. With your cone shape formed, it's time to secure it. Overlap the straight edges of your paper, adjusting until you achieve your desired cone width and point. Once you're happy with the shape, apply a line of glue or a strip of tape along the overlapped seam. Press firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds to ensure the adhesive holds well. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. If your cone's base isn't perfectly even, use your scissors to carefully trim it level. This will help your cone stand upright and look professional. Now your craft cone is ready for decoration. You can paint it, add glitter, or attach other embellishments. Just make sure any adhesive or paint is completely dry before decorating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.